very good morning. This is Dharmendra. Today I am going to conduct the ASL speaking activity for SE2 at Tagore Public School, Palwan. And here we go. Hi guys, myself Dharmendra. What's your name?
My name is Vaibhav.
And what's your name?
My name is Krishna.
Okay, so Vaibhav, you are 19A and Vipin, you are 19B. Vaibhav, tell me something about your unforgettable moment of your life.
The unforgettable moment of my life is the moment when I met with an accident and I was severely injured.
Okay, Vipin, you tell me something about your father.
My father is a good person and is a place. He guided me from all of my work and give me advices to how to do it.
Okay, well, and who's your favorite actor?
My favorite actor is Ajay Devgan.
Okay, now let us move to round 2, which is the topic presentation round. First of all, we are going to start with 19A. You are going to present your topic. Post that, 19B will ask you a question. Later on, I'll be putting some more follow-up questions. So, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Please proceed.
My topic is my idol. My idol is my sister. She always cares for me and helps me in doing my studies and my work. She praises me in my good deeds and supports me in my bad deeds. She loves me, she cares for me and she solves my problems and give me ideas about them and inspires me and motivates me and give messages about my future life.
Okay, Vipin, could you please ask a question to Babu?
Yes. Now tell me, who is your idol other than your sister?
My idol is my mom other than my sister. She always cares for me and helps in my school course and cares for me by doing my duties and making me aware that I am responsible for some things that I have some duties to do.
Well, Babu, tell me something about that. According to you, as per you, what is the definition of an ideal teacher?
An ideal teacher is a teacher who inspires us, motivates us and give messages about our future life and he or she give hints about the path that we should follow in our future life. He or she would be very kind and faithful to our student that he or she should not.
Well, I need to stop you here. Thank you. Now, 19B, you have to present your topic. Post that, 19A will ask you a question. Later on, I'll be putting some more follow-up questions. So, are you ready?
Yes.
Please proceed.
Global warming, as the name suggests, is the warming of Earth. Global warming is the undue rise in temperature of Earth due to greenhouse effect. The greenhouse gases present in the atmosphere such as carbon dioxide, methane, water vapor trap the heat rays of the sun and do not let them go out in the outer space. This phase created the greenhouse effect. It is important to note that greenhouse effect is essential for survival of living beings on Earth, but excess, as we know, is harmful, leads to global warming. Global warming is majorly caused by deforestation. The plants which absorb carbon dioxide or take carbon dioxide from atmosphere and make food by photosynthesis and release oxygen. But when trees are cut, there is no one to use that carbon dioxide. So deforestation is a major cause for global warming. Apart from it, CFCs which are released by ACs, use of fossil fuels, automobiles are also lending a help in the cause of global warming. Global warming has a serious threat for life on Earth. The rising temperature even by 0.5 degrees Celsius may cause glaciers to melt, which can cause floods and droughts in the parts. Acid rain is also caused by global warming. Acid rain is the rain which has an atmosphere.
Okay, well, I need to stop you here. Vipin, 19A, could you please ask a question to 19B?
Vipin, what the steps we should take to stop global warming?
First of all, we should plant more and more trees so that deforestation is reduced and there is more level of carbon dioxide in atmosphere and oxygen is more. And then we should use alternative sources of energy and we should not use ACs because they release CFCs in the atmosphere. And we should not use fossil fuels also.
Okay, well, 19B, tell me that what can or how can media play an important role in decreasing global warming?
Media can play an important role in decreasing global warming. It can make people aware about the harmful effects of global warming and how to reduce global warming. They can create rallies about to know how to reduce global warming and demonstrations to aware people about it.
And what role can a school play?
School can encourage students to plant more and more trees and take part activities that are eco-friendly. Students should be encouraged to plant more and more trees so that deforestation is reduced and global warming can be reduced.
Okay, well, I need to stop you here. Now let us move to round 3, which is the problem solving round. Herein, I'll be giving you a cue card. You have to think about the problem for 30 seconds and then come up with a possible solution. So, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Well, I'm giving you here problem number 5. Your friend is participating in a group dance competition. However, she does not attend rehearsals. The rest of the group is annoyed with her. Discuss with your partner what advice you would give to your friend and the group. And your time starts now. Okay, so are you ready, guys? Okay, 19A, please come up with a possible solution.
The girl should be having any possible reason that she is not attending the class. The reason must be she would be not attending the class due to her studies. And the group should not be annoyed with her because she would not getting time. I would advise her that she could take out her free time for the rehearsals of dance competition, and the group also should help her by doing some appropriate timing of the dance rehearsal.
Okay, what would you suggest, 19B?
I think she should find free time for her to attend the classes. She should practice at home and with her friends too, because she had taken part in the competition. And also the group should not be annoyed with her. They should give her a chance to participate and practice at home, and they should also make her practice in the dance competition.
Had you been there in place of the girl, what would you have done then?
I would take out time for the dance competition also and for my studies also. I should also say to that group dance participants to manage an appropriate timing for that rehearsal, so that I also and my studies also should get some times.
Okay, and had you been there in place of her, what would you have done?
First of all, I would have to find time for myself to attend the classes. I should have practiced at home also and ask my friend to manage the timings of the dance practice so that I can find time. I should also ask the teacher to help me in this for dance practice because I have taken part in it and I should have the opportunity to go.
Absolutely. And don't you think that as you are there, you are a team member? So don't you think that it was supposed to be a responsibility to intimate this to your group, what problem you are going through? Because until unless they are aware of your problem, how they can find a solution to it?
Yes.
Do you agree with me?
Yes.
Then what would have been done in that case?
I have already said that I also should have told to them that I am not getting time. I should not hesitate.
Right.
I would have told them that the time should be managed according that I should also give award to my studies and my rehearsal also, that I have participated in dance. It's my choice only.
Absolutely. And what would you say?
I would say that it's a responsibility of mine to educate my friends about this because our studies are also important and dance competition is also important.
Well said, well said. Each and everything is important in life. We should give equal weightage to our curricular and co-curricular activities as well. So here we end up with the assessment of speaking. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.